In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fill color in circle in AutoCAD. We will start with a simple circle and turn it into a clean solid filled shape, using the hatch tool. A quick technique that's perfect for diagrams, legends, and callouts. First, create your circle using the circle command. You can type C on your keyboard and press enter. Then click to set the center point and specify a radius, or type a value if you prefer exact sizing. Use whichever circle method you are comfortable with, center and radius or center and diameter. Once the circle looks right, you are ready to add color. Next, activate the hatch command. Type H or type hatch, and press enter. This opens the hatch creation tab on the ribbon and puts AutoCAD into hatch mode. You'll see controls for pattern, angle, scale, and other properties. Don't worry about those right now. We're going for a clean solid fill. In the Hatch Creation tab, choose Solid as your pattern. Solid tells AutoCAD to fill the selected area completely with one color instead of a line pattern. If you previously used a different hatch, make sure Solid is selected so your circle doesn't fill with stripes or dots. Now pick your color. Click the color dropdown or the color swatch in the hatch settings and choose the color you want. You can use standard colors or a custom shade to match your drawing's style. If you are working on a plotted set, consider how the color will appear in print and whether it needs to contrast with surrounding objects for clarity. With Solid selected and your color chosen, click inside the circle to apply the fill. AutoCAD looks for a closed boundary, so clicking inside tells it exactly where to place the hatch. If the fill doesn't appear, it usually means the boundary isn't closed or the click wasn't inside the circle. Zoom in and try again, making sure your cursor is clearly within the shape. To finish, press enter or click Close Hatch Creation on the ribbon. The hatch becomes its own object that sits neatly inside your circle. You can select it later to change its color or switch to a different pattern without redrawing anything. If you need to adjust the circle itself, the hatch will typically update to match the boundary. And that's it. Thanks for watching.